Hello children, for today's topic, these are the materials we are using. You should use only poster color. Welcome to Vidya Viber Public School. The first topic we are going to learn is landscape. This is for the month of December. So, let me start the work. Just draw a mountain like this randomly. There is no any particular height, width, curve and all. You can do it randomly and draw one line above, not to disturb the topic, and draw another line. Okay, two lines you should draw like this. Now I taken a red color paint poster color in the flat brush. See, always you should use, once you start with left to right, you will not come back again right to left. You should go left to right only. The direction is very important. Whether we are doing in a paint or color pencil or crayon, whichever the material, this is the way a direction is very important. So after using a red color, okay, the first half of the block I colored red. See, observation is very important. Don't make the brush was very dry. The next color here I'm using a yellow. You can see in between when I'm merging, it's becoming orange. Even I teach you the same technique in coloring also, red and yellow. If it is mixed orange, I never used mixed orange separately. I mix red and yellow. Wash the brush again. Every time you should wash the brush properly, and using these kind of waste cloth you should clean the brush. Then only when you are using a next color, the previous color will not disturb your brush. So now I'll use yellow directly, and below I'll cover completely yellow color. Above the mountain I'll complete completely yellow color. You can see the sunset or sun rays, it will be like orangish and reddish color. Once this lighting is work is completed, the mountain here we are not going to use a brown color, directly we are going to use a black color. It's something like a silhouette. When some character is standing, when like very dark light is there, and that character, on the character we can't see any kind of depth or tone color and everything. So here we are using completely black color. And don't make more dirtily, do it very neat and clean, using more water, rubbing many times in the book, and it will get whole. Because paper, even that paper you want to plan according to the paper thickness. Even I am using the, which the drawing book you are using, same type of paper even I am using. Observe carefully how I'm filling the black or other colors. Do it in the same way. A patience is very important when you are using a paint. You should wait till it's dry. For red and yellow it's not required. Usually we need some patience when we are using a paint, because when the two colors it's mixed, then it will feel like it's so dirty, right? So due to that we should wait. See, now its brush was dried, I used little water. Okay, here you should wait till it's dry, then draw like a bird. So here landscape art is ready. Now we'll go for the second topic. It's a seascape. Seascape. This is for the month of December. So now draw like a mountain and one coconut tree will do, and then next we'll draw one curvy line, and for the sunset again I'm drawing one line to not to disturb the topic. So here I'm using the same technique of red and yellow. See, red one line, don't make your brush was so dry. I'll wash the brush properly and clearly. I'll use yellow color. Can you see this merging there? Now again I'm cleaning the brush. And I used yellow color directly. Apply directly yellow color for the sun and little of orange. Blend it properly with using a flat brush. Okay, once it's completed, here I'm using a blue color for a water effect. Fill completely the second block above the mountain. So fill properly. I'm repeating the same tip. Don't make your brush to be dry, otherwise you will not get a proper stroke. Before it's dry, you should apply the color. So now the mountain and coconut tree will do. So completely black color. And completely black color. Observe very cleanly how I'm using the brush stroke. So if it is anything mistake or its color was blend, use it very carefully. The final output is like this. We'll give a reflection now. With both the colors, we'll give with the yellow and red. So here the first topic we learned landscape and the second topic seascape. Follow the tips and tricks. Thank you.